In this video, I'm going to show you how to install your own floating shelf. Use a pencil to mark the centre of the bracket where the first screw is going to be. Check it with a detector to see there's no cables or wires there. Get an envelope, stick this to the wall so it catches your dust when you're drilling, with a hammer action drill and a masonry drill piece. Place a raw plug in, hammer this down to its flush, put your first screw in. It doesn't have to be tight at this point, just so it holds the bracket. Then you can put your spirit level on, make sure it's level, mark the two side ends where the next screw holes are going to be. Drill these, put the plugs in and drive your screws firmly into position so the bracket's nice and solid on the wall. Then you can apply your glue along the back of the shelf and in the holes where the bars off the bracket will meet. Slide it into position, drive the final screw in, leave to dry before loading it. If you're looking for more 60-second tips, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.